Alright, hi guys. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to be starting something on chemistry Jamb question 2021. Now, before we do that, I would like to introduce you guys to something quite important, very good. Alright, so that thing is called the Kstudy Exams. Alright, now you could find this on Play Store and also your Apple device. And you could get this, download and have fun, alright? Kstudy Exams. Go to Play Store, download and have fun. Now, without wasting much time, let's jump straight right into questions. So, alright, question number one, quickly. Question number one, that wasting time. Question number one says, give the common name for the following compound. Give the common name for the following compound. Now, this is the compound. It's written as CH3 in brackets 2. Okay, CH. Alright, that's the compound. The common name for that. Now, the common name, we have A, isobutane bromine, B, methane bromine, C, propane bromine, and D, butane bromine. Now, I'm going to give you the common name, I'm going to give you the impact name, and the basic formula, alright? Now, the common name is what we started with, A, the isobutane bromine. That is the common name. So, number one answer is A, but I said I'm giving you three things. So, I'm giving you the isobutane, alright, bromine, alright, that's common name. The impact name is 1 bromo, 2 methane butane, alright, 1 bromo, 2 methane butane, alright. And the impact name and its formula is basically C4H9 and Br, alright. I gave you three things that will help. Alright, so one answer for what we have is A. Okay, I've done that. Yes. Question number 2. The enzyme that converts glucose to ethane alcohol is dash. Now we have maltase as A, zymase as B, diastase as C, and invertase as D. Our correct answer there is zymase B. It's a catalyst that involves in the formation of sugar. You know, when sugar has formation, when the enzyme is involved, it gives you an alcohol. So our correct answer for question number 2 is B. Question number 3. The scientist who stated, that matter can be converted into energy is dash. A. Boyce, B. Lavoisier, C. Avogadro, and C. Einstein. Now, Einstein gives theory of relativity. E equals mc squared. Einstein tells you this. Einstein tells you that. Alright? Only Einstein can do that. So, Einstein said the same matter can be converted to any form of energy, from one form of energy to another form of energy, and the person that does that is Einstein. So our question on number 3 is C. Question number 4. Alright? What is the impact name for the following compound? A is aspartame, B is methane aspartame, C is butanol, D is the canoic acid. Number 4 is B. Question number 5. Okay? What is the chemical name for the compound CuCO3? Now we have options: copper 3 carbonate, copper 2 carbonate, copper 1 carbonate, and copper. Our answer is copper 2 carbonate. That is the correct chemical name for the compound. Alright? The correct chemical name for the compound, copper 2 carbonate. You can Google this and see more of what I'm trying to say. So our correct answer for question number 5 is B. Question number 6. A breath test used by traffic police to check drunken driving uses A. Turmeric on filter paper, B. Silica gel coated with saliva nitrate, C. Potassium permanganate sulfuric acid, D. Potassium dichromatic sulfuric acid. Question number 6, my answer is simply D. Alright? They are made of potassium dichloromate and some other compounds that are there too. Alright, starting from the earlier times, starting from the ancient time when people start getting tested for drunk driving and all those things. So our question number 6 answer is D. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a mixture? A. Air, B. Mercury, C. Milk, D. Cement. My correct answer is mercury. Mercury is basically not a mixture. I can't even call mercury a mixture. That is completely off it. Now, mercury is not a mixture, so my answer on question number 7 is B. What do you call mercury? An element or a compound? I'll leave that for you to decide. I think you should know already by now. All right. Question number 7 is settled. Okay. Now let's go to question number 8. Which of the following is a non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature? The following is a non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature. Now they said at room temperature, this metal is basically volatile and they are reddish brown liquid. They are volatile and reddish brown liquid. Now my best option there on A is chlorine, B is phosphoric, C is bromine, and D is helium. Now my correct answer there is bromine. Bromine is reddish brown liquid. At room temperature, it is volatile. So my answer on question number 8 gives us C. Question number 9. Which of the following are chemicals, chemical changes? The following are chemical changes. Now we're giving 4 different types of changes, and they want us to determine which of those ones are chemical changes. Number 1, the first type of changes is cooking of food. Number 2 type of change is digestion of food. All right. Number 3, you have freezing of water. And last, number 4, you have water heated up. Now, physical and chemical changes talk about one that is irreversible and one that is reversible. So a physical change is reversible, a chemical change is irreversible. In all that you see there, which of them do you think is irreversible, that cannot go back? Yes, number 1 and number 2. They are not reversible. You cannot go back to the original form that they came out from. So both are chemical changes. So our answer on number 9 is A. Next question will be on number 10. All right. Number 10. The atomic weight of nitrogen is the atomic weight of nitrogen. Now, atomic weight of nitrogen is also known as the relative atomic number. So basically, relative atomic number. So atomic weight of nitrogen is also known as relative atomic number. If nitrogen atomic number is atomic number is 7, then its relative atomic number is mass. Sorry, its relative atomic mass should be 14. So A is 10, B is 12, C is 14, and D is 16. So my final answer on that, on number 10, is C. Question number 11. The gas which causes global warming is, now let's put this way, one of the gas. Because there are a lot of things that can cause global warming. You have methane, you have nitrogen oxide, you have nitrogen oxide, you have water, vapor, a lot can cause global warming. But let's just put it that way. So in our options, one of the gases that causes global warming, you have O2, CO2, N2, and HE. My correct answer there is CO2. Alright, a greenhouse effect gas. So CO2 is my correct answer on question number 11. This chemistry is just going straightforward. Oxygen is absent in dash. Options: kerosene. I'm going to write that, please. I want to give you guys some tips, because I first, before I started studying chemistry, I thought there were oxygen present in kerosene. That's before I started studying chemistry, or before I started becoming a teacher on chemistry. So you have kerosene as 1, A, then B, you have soil, C, you have glass, D, you have cement. Now, one of them doesn't contain oxygen. Let's take a look at the first one. Kerosene. Basically a combustion of hydrocarbon. Made from hydrocarbon, yes? So, made from hydrocarbon. Yeah, so this is a hydrocarbon. Something comes from hydrocarbon. Okay? Hydrocarbon. Alright? Then soil. Now, you can't tell me soil doesn't contain oxygen, because you have microorganisms living in the soil. If you do your biology properly very well, you find out that microorganisms live in the soil. So there's definitely oxygen present in the soil. That is not an argument, it's the truth. Next, C, glass. Now, glass is basically made of sand, limestone, sodium carbonate. If you look at the carbonate, if you argue, okay, sand is there, and sand has a level of oxygen. If you're arguing for sand, what about sodium bicarbonate? There's a level of oxygen present there. So I've taken out 2, all right? And the last one, cement. Cement has fly ash. Now, that last fly ash is a source of iron, basically. Then you have ions and other things, iron oxide and everything. And even sand too. And I told you sand contains oxygen. Because when you look up things on our options here, The only matter present there that doesn't have oxygen is our kerosene. So question number 12 gives me A. Number 13. Question number 13. Alright. A sample of any of the following substance disappear after some time when exposed to air, like camphor, naphthalene, or dry ice. This phenomenon is called what? Oh, come on. They have A, sublimation, B, evaporation, C, diffusion, and D, radiation. It can only be sublimation, the movement of solid particles straight up to gas. Yes, that's just it. It can only be sublimation. You can't say evaporation, no. It's sublime. Solid moves from it's straight up to gas without getting into liquid. So my answer on question number 13 is A. Number 13 is A. Question number 14. My chemistry is just straightforward. I'm loving it. Alright. The maximum electron in N shell. The maximum electron in L shell. You know the N shell, right? The K, M, N, alright, shell. Alright. So the maximum electron in the N shell. The maximum electron in the N shell should be what? Now there are different options. We're going to take a look at the options. We have 2, 8, 18, 32. We accept N shell. K, M, M, N. 2, 8, 18, 32. See that, right? So my answer is D. Number 14. D. Number 15. Okay, can we go on? Yes. Neutron was first discovered by who? It was discovered first in 1932, and this person was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1935. Yes, first of all, it was discovered in 1932, and this scientist was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1935. A. James Chadwick, B. Ernest Rutherford, C. J.J. Thomson, and D. John Dalton. It can only be James Chadwick. Discovered neutron in 1932 and awarded the Nobel Prize in 1935. Question number 15 gives us A. Number 16. Alright. Which of the following is a form of calcium carbonate? Which of the following is a form of calcium carbonate? We have limestone, number 1. These are your options, just numbers. Limestone, 2 is marble, 3 is chalk, and D, 4 is eggshell. I took a look at all of them. Both has calcium, all of them they have, not both, all has calcium carbonate. There's calcium somehow in limestone, there's calcium, marble, chalk, all of them. So if you look at our options, A says 1 only, B 1, 2, 4, C 1 and 2 only, D says 1, 2, 3, and 4. Our final answer, yes, is D. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Question number 17. Okay, so clean surfaces on a principle based on A. Viscosity, B. Flotation, C. Elasticity, and D. Surface tension. Our cannot be viscosity. Basically talks about thickness. It cannot be flotation. Something's float. No, it cannot be elastic. No. So it doesn't clean surface because it was elastic. The easiest way to clean surface is because of the surface tension. So our final answer on question number 17 is the surface tension. Like I told you, the physics is just the chemistry here. Why am I calling it just the chemistry? Chemistry is going smoothly. All right. Number 18. Yeah. Okay. The reactivity of fluorine is due to A. Is high electronegativity. B. Small size of fluorine atom. C. Availability of d orbitals. Then D. Strong F bond. I'm taking that again. Is high electronegativity, and I said small size of fluorine atom. C. Availability of d orbitals, and D. Strong F bond. Now, if you take a look at that, I electronegative is my correct options, but the other things that you must understand about fluorine, it belongs to the halogen family. It's the lightest members in that family. Just like now, it is also extremely reactive. It's like extremely reactive. So if it's extremely reactive, its electronegativity also will be high. Okay, because it's extremely reactive, and of course it has to be the most electronegativity element that is there. All right, so follow what I gave you. It belongs to the halogen family. The largest member of the family, I said, is extremely reactive, and I said it is the most electronegativity or the electronegative element present there. So my question number 18 answer will be A. Two more before we go. Question number 19. Mass number of the nucleus is really the mass number of the nucleus. Okay, let's take an option. The mass number of the nucleus is A, always lesser than its atomic number. B, the sum of the proton and neutron present in the nucleus. C, always more than the atomic weight. D, a fraction. The answer is B. It's B. We'll do that. There's no point of argument or solving in this one. It's clear. And lastly, on question number 20, before we run up for today, the mass of one Avogadro number of helium atom is this. Now, 1 mole is equals to an Avogadro number, and helium has a molar mass of 4.0. All right, so its mass number of Avogadro number is 4. Our options there: A is 1.00 gram, B 4.0 gram, C 8.0 gram, and D 6.0 gram. Our mass number is 4.0 gram. So question number 20 gives me. Please remember Kstudy Exams on Play Store. Download, have fun, and I'll catch you guys in the next class. Ciao.